The AT&T Discovery District, located in downtown Dallas, Texas, is a vibrant downtown destination offering a variety of dining, entertainment, and technological experiences. The district features a diverse selection of food and drink options, including the Exchange Food Hall and Cowboy Chow, catering to a wide range of culinary preferences. A standout feature of the district is the massive 104-foot tall media wall, which wraps around the building at the corner of Akard and Jackson Streets. This state-of-the-art installation showcases digital art and media in stunning 6K resolution, adding a dynamic visual element to the Dallas cityscape. For sports enthusiasts, the AT&T Discovery District serves as a premier game day destination. Visitors can watch games on the impressive media wall and numerous other TVs throughout the area. Dining options during events include Cowboy Chow, known for its weekly specials, and the Exchange Food Hall, which houses 13 different food vendors offering a variety of cuisines. The district is designed to be family-friendly and offers free ultra-fast 5G and Wi-Fi in the plaza, the Grove, and on the lawn, ensuring visitors stay connected during their visit. Whether you're interested in exploring innovative tech experiences, enjoying diverse dining options, or attending live events, the AT&T Discovery District offers a dynamic and engaging environment for all visitors. The Exchange Food Hall is a dynamic culinary destination situated within the AT&T Discovery District. This two-story venue features 13 diverse eateries and 2 full-service bars, offering both grab and go and sit-down dining experiences. Visitors can enjoy a wide array of cuisines while taking in views of the district's media wall, plaza, and the globe. The food hall operates from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m., Sunday through Thursday, and extends its hours to 11 p.m. on Fridays and Saturdays. Please note that individual vendor hours may vary, whether you're seeking a quick meal or a leisurely dining experience. The Exchange Food Hall provides a variety of options to suit different tastes and preferences.